Buongiorno. We are looking at how to pronounce this name as well as how to say more delicious food names from Italy as well. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. This is an Italian relish of pickled vegetables in vinegar or oil. How do you say it? In Italian, this is pronounced as giardiniera, giardiniera, but it'd be fine in English to say it as giardiniera. It means, the name means, from the garden, essentially, giardiniera, or in English, giardiniera. And now you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. More videos on how to pronounce more Italian food names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Arrivederci. Ciao ciao.